In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a group chat on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then tap right here to head over to Chats, and then tap at this blue icon. Tap at New Group right here. At the very top, first off, we can enter a name for our group to identify it. I'm just gonna enter test here. And then down below, it will show you all your recent contacts and all of your friends. And then to add users to your group, just select them one by one in that way. And then once you've selected all the users, hit Add Chat with Group. If you try to add a person who is not in your friend to a group, you will get this arrow. It says here that these two users haven't added you as a friend yet. We can deselect them in that way and then hit Chat with Group. After that, we'll be taken to our group that we have just created, and then we can start communicating with all the users of this group by sending here our messages. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.